surprised Joel here. Let me show you one important thing about the Telecaster wiring. As you can see, when I move the hands from the guitar, it's noisy. But when I touch the strings, the noise is much lower. Sadly, I had a couple of teles lately, handcrafted by quite renowned builders here, and they both present the same mistake. They didn't wire the ground from the bridge. So when you touch the guitar, it remains noisy like this. After a quick research on the Google, I found that many diagrams don't have this wire going from the ground to the back of the pot drawn in their schematic. Grounding a bridge is implied. It's something that it has to be done always. If you are familiar, let's say, with the strut, you can see it on the back of the claw. So don't be one of those that monkey do what monkey see.